it's still Carl Sisters, and this is the Chebe Challenge 1 week update. Thanks for stopping by, and please do subscribe.
Hey guys, welcome back to Carl Sisters. So today I'm going to be giving a 5-day update on my Chebe and Kaka oil challenge. If you're new to my channel, welcome and thanks for stopping by. Click the subscribe button, turn the bell on so you get notified on our DIY routines, hairstyling routines, and how to sustain your hair on 4C coils. Yes. So we're doing it. Okay, so it's 5 days already. I started my Chebe challenge 5 days ago and it's not bad. It's just that in the first 3 days my hair stayed moisturized. I think the 4th day the same thing, and it had to dry out. But I noticed that after I unraveled the first twist, it was so easy to detangle. My fingers just went through. There was no freeze anywhere. I think it's gonna get better with time. So I'm just going to show you the second reapplication that I'm going to be doing. And also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave any comments or questions you have in the comment section below, and then I'll reply to it as soon as possible and as fast as I can. So let's get down to showing you that right away. It's gone already, and then I'll be using my spray bottle, the content of my spray bottle, the Chebe powder and the Kaka oil mix in here. I have this mix already. If you don't want to know how I mix it up, you check the link up there because there's a video on that already. And then I also have my oil here that I'll be using to moisturize my scalp and do a massage as quick as possible. So let's get down to the second application. Right now my hair feels dry. I read a lot of reviews where people say their hair feels dry in the Chebe powder challenge, but let's see. I think you have to moisturize. That's why I insisted that you moisturize. Personally, I refuse to do any spraying of any kind, so I just left it on because I wanted to see. But it still has the oil thing there, you know. Yeah, it has the oil thing, but I don't know about the shine. We'll have to check that out. It's not that bad, is it? I don't know, but okay, I'll be going on the second application. Just watch. What I'm going to do, I'm going to get my spray bottle and I'll just spray all over my hair, covering everywhere, trying not to have it drip. Okay, so after all of this is done, I'm going to unravel one twist at a time and then do the Chebe application a second time. Keep watching.
Alright guys, at this point I just took down one of my twists from 5 days ago, and this is how detangled my hair feels. Look at the curl patterns already popping. I'm almost in between 3C and a 4A, but you know what I mean. Okay, now this feels so good. I do not have to comb. It is fully detangled, and oh my god, who doesn't want that? Let's get into the application process ASAP. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to go in with my spray bottle that contains water and oil, and then I'm going to apply the Chebe mix very well, coating the hair from the tip to the roots and carefully avoiding my scalp. So I'm going to put that into 2 and coat it a little more so I get smaller twists, and that will make it easier for me to slay my wig. So I just finish that up as quick as possible and go into the next twist, and we're done. Yeah.
Guys, okay, so I'm done twisting my hair, basically reapplying the Chebe and Kaka oil mix, and then of course I'm going to be carrying this for another 5 days. Then I'll come back with a third application. So don't forget that if you're not washing your hair, you have to use a spray bottle. I didn't wash mine off after the first 5 days, nope. So I just decided to loosen up, go back in with a spray bottle, and then of course the mix again, and there I have my hair. The curls are really great. I love the texture my hair already has in 5 days. My hair is fully detangled. I mean, I don't do flat twists in 5 days and have it fully detangled the way it was when I took down the first twist out. So it was really detangled, and the curl patterns are separated more, so it's more like a 3B, 4A thereabouts, you know, the kind of texture. And I like that the curls are popping and my hair is looking shiny. You know, yeah, it's looking shiny. I don't know if it's the oil, but like I told you earlier, the detangling process was very easy for me and I didn't do much. So I'm just going to spray my hair because you don't want it dry now. Well, people complain that the Chebe powder dries the hair. I think it's because, as far as I'm concerned, it is a powder which doesn't dissolve well. So it's supposed to, after the oil dries up, but it infuses into your scalp. That's what I like. So I'm still going to go in with these, as usual, in my scalp, and I'm going to massage the oil in carefully. So I'll just work the oil into my scalp very carefully, and then I'll do a massage. And if you're really scared of your hair drying out, please don't forget to use a spray bottle. Spray your scalp so it doesn't dry off, and then do a massage. I love the texture of my hair already, and I'll come back. But the way I think it's going to be, I might not wash my hair off till at the end of 4 weeks, because I'm just going to loosen and reapply, loosen and reapply. Okay, so guys, keep watching, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know the progress so far in the comment section. Have a great day. It's to Curl Sisters. And okay, someone asked, how do I style the hair? This is a wig cap, so I'm just going to wear my wig cap that way. And this is because if I have somewhere to go and I need to wear a wig or weave, so I'll wear this first, you know, before I even wear the wig on top. So you should try that too. It's going to help your wig not stay messy. And after I wear this, I can now wear my satin bonnet, just like that, and that's it. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know how Chebe has helped you and your results, because we'll be comparing in no time. Have a great day. More styling tips coming, so don't go anywhere.